$1.77. $1.77.11. Son of a bitch. $5 liters. Should do us some of the fin track, get back. Not having much luck, but Zach's going to get a pump. Should be sweet. Put my helmet back on. There's so many flies. It's insane. Good old flat tire. But hopefully it won't take too long. No time. Yeah. So I got a pinch flat yesterday. I couldn't repair it because the holes were too big. And then I only had a shitty thin tube. I thought it'd be alright for today. But maybe I run over something on the way out. Good practice. These things are awesome. It's a lot harder and hotter with the helmet on, but there's flies. Fucking insane. Yeah. Just a little hole. I don't know if you can see how many flies are on me, but I love going in your eyes. It's quite horrible. So, just waiting for Zach to come back, and hopefully the flies don't kill me. Sick.
Tuesday or Thursday. Yeah. Where's Ross? Oh, he just got the car out. I'm going to go back to the car. So he's going. Is the old man? No, he's on Tyre. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at it. When you do it? Yeah. I really only want to travel around the band. Yeah. German, yeah? Yeah, right. Sanyang? Sanyang? What's Sanyang? You know that Sanyang car? Sure.